Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and going directly to Network and Internet. This places you at the exact controls you need. Once in Network and Internet, pick the active adapter, Wi-Fi if wireless, Ethernet if cabled, because the MAC address is tied to that adapter. Make sure to click the adapter name rather than a general menu. This reveals detailed properties. You'll see a list of connection details soon, so don't navigate away. Stay focused on the adapter page to proceed to the next step. Once you click the adapter's hardware properties, you'll see a field labeled Physical Address. This is the MAC address, formatted as 6 pairs separated by colons. You want to copy that string exactly because it uniquely identifies your network interface. If you prefer keyboard speed, select the address and press Ctrl+C. Otherwise, tap and hold on a touchscreen to copy. Remember why? Accurate copying avoids connection or whitelist errors later. After copying, confirm the address visually so you don't paste a typo. If settings didn't show the MAC, open Command Prompt and run ipconfig/all. This prints all adapters and their physical addresses, which helps when settings hides details. Another path is Device Manager. Expand network adapters to inspect hardware, update drivers, or re-enable the adapter if it's disabled. Make sure to restart the adapter or reboot after driver installs. Troubleshooting tip: if the MAC still isn't visible, verify the adapter isn't in airplane mode and test with another network. Sometimes firmware or driver conflicts hide the address.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.